for watching my YouTube channel. My name is Oleg. If it's your first time on this channel, we do updates on our projects and show you every week where we're at. So this project here is the Oswego project, and nothing really has changed on the inside. We're still waiting for the sheetrock to get covered. But while waiting for the sheetrock to get covered, what I decided to do is get all the people, all the contractors who are supposed to do the work on the outside, come in and start prepping all that and getting it done. So what happened this week, past week, is we installed all the windows inside the house. We flashed them, all that good stuff, and we tore out all the old siding to prep for new siding installation. As well, I had a contractor come in who tore out the old roof and installed new shingles on Saturday, so that roof is pretty much finished. We just got a little ridge to put in because apparently I forgot to buy it at the store when they picked up the material. So that's fine, they'll come in and do that. It's not going to take too long. But as well, what we did on the outside was we had a sidewalk on the side of the house. I don't know if you've seen the other videos, maybe you've noticed the little sidewalk that goes around the house. What we did is we tore that out because it was kind of slanted towards the house, so when it rained, it would rain onto that sidewalk and all the water would go straight underneath the house. So what we did is we jackhammered that sidewalk out, and what we're going to do is we're going to dig a French drain to divert the water from coming under the house to keep it dry and clean. So that's going to be a project for next week, and we have a couple guys working on that. And you know, just because of where the house is standing right now, it's just slopes, so all the water goes in, so we have to put that French drain in. Other than that, we're kind of slowly picking things up here. I mean, it's going faster than, you know, not as fast as I wanted, but fast enough that it's okay. So, you know, we got all the plumbing, the electrical in, we got all the inspections passed. We're just waiting for that sheetrock to get started. So, you know, stay tuned this week. Hopefully we will start getting the sheetrock in this week and start covering, so it'll look a lot different on the inside. So here's just a little walkthrough around the house, and nothing has really changed. Here at the Oswego project, doing a little bit of work. They got all of those concrete broken up around the house. We got the windows in. We got some work going on the outside. We decided to not wait and start the roofing on the weekend. So we're gonna show you how that's going. Thank you guys for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel and following my videos. I think if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to, click down on the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that way you get to see more videos of all the projects that we have ongoing right now. Again, thank you everybody. Have a wonderful and safe Labor Day weekend. Bye.